Hey guys, it's me Adit Kundra from Adit Ukulele Lessons. आज हम song सीखने वाले हैं. It's a pretty new song और इसका नाम है Espresso and this one is by Sabrina Carpenter. Right, so इस lesson में आपको मैं सारी chords बताऊंगा and इसका एक बहुत ही nice funky सा strumming pattern है. So we'll be learning that as well. Okay, so ये गाना जो है इसमें basically हम सिर्फ 4 chords use करने वाले हैं. तो पहली chord है हमारी D minor 7th, which is like this. Right. Next chord is E minor 7th. Third chord is an A minor 7th. Nothing, बस open play करना है सारी strings. And finally C major. Right, so that's it. Just 4 chords. Okay, so यहाँ पे I would like to take a quick break and tell you कि अगर आप मुझसे ukulele सीखना चाहते हैं in a very step by step manner, then definitely check out मेरी academy जिसका नाम है Music Academy. मेरा ukulele course है Learn Ukulele in 30 Days Stage 1, which is an absolutely structured 30-day plan. And इसको अगर आप follow करेंगे तो I can assure you कि आप ना सिर्फ एक अच्छे ukulele player बनेंगे, but also a fantastic musician. Right? So Music Academy का link is in the description box. Definitely check it out. Okay, so let's come to the strumming. तो strumming इसमें क्या कर रहा हूँ? Right, so basically क्या करना है? Down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, down. Yeah, so down, up, down और जो आखिरी का है वो मैं strings को mute करके कर रहा हूँ. So and इसका जो second part है that is so down, up, down, 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 down. So basically हमारी E minor 7th पे हम करें down, up, down, then A minor 7th पे down, down, and C major पे down, down. ठीक है? So अगर मैं पूरा strumming pattern play करूँगा so it'll be like this. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed the lesson. अगर अच्छा लगे तो please give it a like and share it with your friends. This is Adit Kundra signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.